Cooking a giant squid is an adventurous culinary journey that demands creativity and precision, often making headlines when fishermen manage to haul them from the abyssal depths. These colossal creatures offer a gastronomic opportunity like no other. Let's dive into the process and essentials of preparing such an extraordinary dish. The giant squid, known for its massive size and often elusive nature, presents a unique challenge in preparation. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that the meat can be tough, hence tenderizing is essential. Begin by cleaning the squid thoroughly, removing the beak, eyes, and internal organs while reserving the tentacles and mantle. The sheer size of the squid necessitates generous kitchen space and specialized utensils. Think large cutting boards and industrial-sized pots. There are several methods to tenderize the meat, including pounding it with a meat mallet or marinating it in acidic solutions like lemon juice or vinegar for a few hours. The next important step is the cooking method. Given its size, slow cooking methods such as braising or stewing are more effective. Braising, in particular, allows the squid to cook gently in a flavorful liquid, resulting in tender and aromatic meat. Start by searing large chunks of squid in a hot pan with oil until a golden crust forms. Then, place these pieces in a Dutch oven or a large pot with a well-seasoned broth, typically a combination of seafood stock, white wine, garlic, and herbs. Allow it to simmer on low heat for several hours, occasionally checking to ensure it does not overcook, as squid can become rubbery. In addition to slow cooking, grilling can be an excellent choice if you prefer a more charred flavor. Ensure the grill is hot and quickly sear the squid slices, brushing them with a marinade of olive oil, garlic, and parsley. Serve with a spritz of lemon for freshness. Finally, pairing and presentation play crucial roles in completing the dish. Accompany the giant squid with sides that complement its robust flavor. Think roasted vegetables, a tangy coleslaw, or a garlic-infused rice pilaf. The dish can be plated to highlight its majestic nature. Arrange the tentacles elegantly, sprinkle with fresh herbs, and offer the dipping sauces in artistic bowls. Cooking a giant squid is not just about the food, but the story, the experience, and the rare chance to bring the flavors of the deep sea to the dining table.